friends and clients. Thanks so much for following along and for checking out the videos. I really hope they're helping. This one would be for anyone with any kind of lower back discomfort. Maybe you're a bit achy from being seated for longer periods of time than you're used to, a little bit less active than you're used to. Even cramps and menstrual pain, this stuff can be helpful. Or if you have ongoing lower back issues, these are some really good maintenance stretches and strengthening tips. So just a reminder, if any of these hurt or make your situation worse, you don't need to do them. Message me anytime for a modification or an alternative exercise if you like. And pardon the bunny slippers because I'm having one of those days where there was just no point in getting dressed. Enjoy!